Hi.
Hello.
We are the Adams family.
Dun, dun, dun. Or how's it go? Not that Adams family.
No, we are a family of 5 living in our RV full time, traveling across the country, hitting 48 states in 48 weeks, and we are going to show you a tour of the inside of the RV.
Everybody's been asking for it.
So here it is.
Take my hand, come along with me. We're gonna have some fun and make some memories. We left a one-way track for a 2-lane road. We'll embrace the experience, so here we go! Embrace the experience, here we go.
All right, welcome inside the cockpit. This is my big steering wheel where I get to drive every travel day. Actually, it's more like. So this is a 2007 Fleetwood Bounder diesel. I still have a very classic gauge cluster with analog gauges and a few buttons, but I do have a few added screens. Usually watch GPS on my phone up here, backup and side view cameras here, and entertainment system here, along with a TPMS system to make sure that we're watching the tire pressure as we're driving. And that's pretty much it for the cockpit. We have storage up here, entertainment, sound, audio stuff up here. Rig management systems are all over here, power, water, AC, that kind of stuff. And then this particular cabinet is storage for all of our office supplies. All right, so storage up there, more storage up here. And then we've got the lazy chair, the wifey's chair. And this one actually has a footrest. So whether she's pointed front or facing the family, she gets to relax, which is pretty nice. Moving on over here, of course, we've got storage up top, some kitchen appliances and things of that nature. Over here, we've got our nice barn door cabinet. This is actually Everest's bed. So we actually custom built this bed to fit in this cabinet, and it pulls out like an accordion.
And there's her bed. This is her kind of like a fitted sheet, and then the pink one is what she sleeps with on top. And in this little cubby cube, we keep her pillow and her dinosaurs that she sleeps with. So everything she needs is right here and here for bedtime.
And she's tucked in right next to Mav, because we've got Mav with his bed right over here. And then we can slide this over, and she's got a ton of toys hidden back here. But now, let me push this button. As you can see, the Sonos speaker was hiding the TV. So the TV is on a televator, so that when we're watching all of our favorites on YouTube and all of our favorite Marvel movies, we can put the screen up. And of course, during the day, when we're doing work and homeschool, the TV goes away. Here's the kitchen. We have a big solid countertop here, and Alex's favorite thing, which is her prep deck, to make sure that she can prep all the food for dinner. And then we can pull this out and actually extend a lot of the counter space, which is really nice. I think this is pantry storage, more storage, herbs and spices, things like that up there. Over here, we've got our sink, which is also hidden, but it's a very big farmhouse sink. And I love this puppy because it lets us do dishes way easier.
I usually hide these away so no one can cover up the sink, so everyone does their dishes, because it's very easy to just put these over dirty dishes and you never know they're there.
Since we live in an RV, we try to put all of our food scraps in the little compost bin. No, we can't carry the compost with us, but this makes it a lot easier to throw away the food waste, and then the trash, which is under here, is much easier to manage because there's not smelly, nasty food in it. And then of course, we have a 3-burner propane stove and oven, a full residential microwave, and a full residential fridge. Check this puppy out. Boom.
Funny story about this fridge, it's actually the exact same one we had in our house. So it holds a lot. And then something that we also had custom made was this cabinet with the drawers. So when we got this, in here, there were those little white baskets with holes in them this big, and all of our food was just falling out. When I would pull this out, the whole basket would fall out and then the food would go all over the place. So this was something I really, really wanted, and Steve let me get it. And I love it. So if you come back this way, we have our dining room table where we all sit and eat. And then we have this little guy, right? Because there's 5 of us, to open up. Again, got it to match the living room. And it sits here. And that's where Eddie sits. And then of course we have the couch. The fabric is actually from Brazil, and we love the color. And probably the coolest part in here that everyone loves, gotta move this so it doesn't get broken. Push this button, and this beautiful magic happens. This is where Moana and Orion sleep. So their bed is put up during the day and comes down at night. And that way, it gives us extra space in the RV. We did tell the kids they could decorate their shelves however they want. So one has like a bunch of stickers up there, and Orion has a bunch of Lego. So that is their bed. Each of these drawers are their homeschooling drawers. So we allowed the kids to have one drawer with all of their like coloring books or their notebook that's like, let's see all the 50 states and what they can put in there and what they think about each one. And their markers, just anything for homeschool goes in here. And now the fun part, what's behind the yellow door? It's Steve.
Hello, welcome to the master suite. We have our garden right here. This is gonna be luscious and green very soon, we hope. But we got this so that we could grow our own jalapenos and lettuce and peppers and things like that. And this light is so bright. First thing in the morning, it's like the sun in your bedroom in the morning. Here we have our master dresser. We actually use this as our workstation. So we have both of our MacBooks here. A lot of the time we have a really, really great view when we're sitting there working. And then over here we have the only other TV in the rig. So we only have 2 TVs. This one opens up and can be tripoded so that we can actually face the master bed, which is awesome. And then in here, we've got the PlayStation, the Apple TV, and a lot of people ask us how we do laundry. We don't use this puppy very much. A lot of times we do laundry at the laundromat, but we haven't been able to make the stretch to get rid of it yet because we do still use it pretty frequently for small loads. That is great to have. And then we have our closet. So we do have a full-size wardrobe. So we're able to keep dirty clothes at the bottom, hang up clothes, and then these wonderful baskets that actually hold some of the smaller clothing items as well. And then of course, the master bed. Oh. It's really comfortable. And we love our beddies. The kids' beds have beddies. Our beds have beddies, our beds. Our bed has a beddy, and we love it. And we love these pillows because the headboard, these materials that are not bedding materials, all came from Brazil as well, and we love it. Up top, we do have 3 more storages, and again, matching baskets that we can pull out, making it a little easier to get to those. This guy is awesome because we're able to find this to match, and all of our shoes are in here. So all the adult shoes on one side, all the kids' shoes on the other side, plus you can sit on it and put your shoes on. We also have 2 sheepskin rugs and a cow rug in the living room. And let's go past out of the master suite into the bathroom. So our bathroom is split, which as you can see, this whole wall is a slide. But right over here, we've got Ghost, our boa snake, who has his nice little home next to the sink. We have beautiful big mirrors, and these are medicine cabinets. So we're able to keep a lot of the small stuff organized up there. Good, beautiful sink. And my favorite part, a full-sized, almost residential shower. And as you can see, we also did the Turkish towels. And the Turkish towels dry faster, but they also allowed us to get everybody their own color. And if you're a fan of Matt's RV reviews, I can assure you, this is a prime pooping position. Bing! And I am gonna turn the camera back over to my beautiful wife.
My turn again. I'm just kidding. I love the store. It's awesome. But that is our casa. That is our home on wheels, and we cannot wait to show you more of our journey of 48 states in 48 weeks. I hope you loved seeing the inside of our RV. We are still gonna do a couple more renovations, so we will show those to you in the future.
And as you can see, oh, I think I'm crushing our land.
Oh no.
So we usually clear off the table whenever we put the bed down. I stopped just in time before we broke a light. Oh man, I bent the crap out of that thing.
Oh,
Here.
man.
Oh, that's the damage. Don't worry about the fruit. Worry about this. Look how wonky it is. I bent the crap out of it. And there's banana on there. That's awesome.